So we call this the Koori Bay collection, which is it's just a sample of Australia's first cultured pearl harvest from the first cultured pearl farm, which was established at Koori Bay in 1954, and I believe these pearls were harvested in 1956. What's interesting about it, I guess, is the variety of shapes and colours that came from that first harvest, which we still get, but not as much variation. We can produce pearls with more uniform colour these days, and bigger in size. These are typically quite small. The colour of the pearl, the base colour of the pearl, is somewhat influenced by its environment, but it's predominantly genetic. Some pearls are just genetically predisposed to produce pearls of golden or silver or white colour. In Australia, what we're primarily aiming for is a white colour, and white silver with a pink overtone. Part of the cultivation process requires transplanting tissue from a donor shell. They're wild oysters, so we can't choose the colour of pearl that they will produce, but we can choose the colour of the donor tissue that we transplant into the shell, and that influences the colour that we produce. But it's only an art. It's not an exact science. Now this collection is what we call the unique collection, the PaO collection, and this really just demonstrates how far cultured pearls have come in Australia since that Koori Bay collection that we just saw. Now these pearls are all exceptional in one way or another, and this collection probably contains pearls that have been harvested over the last 30, 40, 50 years. Each pearl is special in one way or another, either because of its size, or its shape, or its incredible lustre and colour. So we call this the family collection, and each of us has our own favourites. I know that this pearl, for example, is my Uncle Nick's favourite pearl. That's it's a beautiful Baroque pearl from Roebuck Bay. Another type of pearl that we really particularly like in my family are the Keshi pearls, and Keshi pearls are those which don't have a bead nucleus inside. They are not a natural pearl because they're produced on a pearl farm, and they can be very beautiful in terms of their colour and their lustre. But a Keshi of that size is exceptionally rare. Most Keshi are 2 or 3 millimetres typically, and Keshi over 10 millimetres are very, very rare. And this one's 18 millimetres. We have other collections with other boxes that have special pearls in them, but these are the ones that we always maintain as a collection and put on display to really show what's really special about Australian pearls.